Welcome back. In this video I will tell you about embedded browser window. What is it? How to create it and configure it. To find it, go to Embedded Browser Window tab. Embedded Browser Window is our customized window wrapping based on Chromium functionality. It allows you to use frameless windows with topmost functionality to browse any website and to full screen it only on a specific part of the screen. For example, you can embed messengers such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or Spotify and other audio streaming service providers to a dedicated window. Embedded Browser Window supports all streaming platforms including YouTube, Twitch, Netflix, and so on and so forth. So we can set up the browser, put it in some part of the screen, and while watching a movie or TV show or a stream or whatever you want, continue to do something else on your computer at the same time. As you can guess, Embedded Browser Window is not a part of Talent Window Managers or Window Switchers functionality. It's totally another thing. It's additional nice and useful feature which we give you, our users, for choosing us. Let me show you how to create this window and set it up. First of all, let's create a profile for window templates. It can be, for instance, movies, podcasts, messengers, streams, Netflix, and so on. If you don't create or select a profile, your embedded browser window template will be saved in default profile. I will create a profile podcasts, for example. Add. And then I'll create a template here in podcasts profile. Let's add, for example, Lex Freeman's podcast on YouTube in template. Insert URL here, the name, okay. I want to save it as a template. I want to be able to maximize it. I want to have this window always on top. I don't want to be able to full screen it, and I want to have this template window with frame for now. Okay, let's run it. And here we have a framed window opened. Great. Let's open some video, expand it to full screen. As you can see, the frame is still there, taking up space on the screen, and that's not always convenient, right? Imagine you are watching a movie and you have a frame on top. The good news is that this can be fixed. So let's make the window frameless. It's really easy. Just check this checkbox, and here you are. Window is frameless now, but you still need to control it, move or close, right? And now you are able to set up how you will do it. There are some options here. You can still use system controls. Okay, let's run this window. Okay, and as you can see, system controls are always here. You can move this window by this arrow at the top edge. And of course, you can position this window with hotkeys. You can also customize the title bar. For this, switch off using System Controls option. And now you have three possibilities. First of all, you can always show custom title bar. Let's run the window, and your custom title bar looks like this, always on the top of the window. Let's close it. You can only show a custom title bar if you press and hold the button. This can be Command, Option or Shift button. I choose Command. In this case, it looks like this. I press the button, Command button, and the bar is appearing. I can move the window or just close it. But when I release the button, the bar is gone. So I press and hold the button, Command button, and then I release. Press and hold, close the window. Also, you can show a custom title bar if you press the button twice. The bar is shown and after 2 seconds it disappears again. Let me show you. I press twice, Command button, title bar is appearing and then disappears. I press and then it disappears. Okay, let's close it. Besides creating, you can also edit the template or delete it. And of course, just run it whenever you want to. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.